I'm excited to show you 10 top tricks and hacks in WhatsApp that you should try. Let's get started. So the trick number 1 is simple. Touch this clip sign, then go to the gallery. In the gallery, choose a nice interesting photo of yourself or somebody else. So now, how can we make this photo more interesting? It's very simple. There's a smiley face up there. Just touch that. Then you get a lot of nice emojis. Let's select one for an example. Then you can move it and put it on a person's head. Then in order to reduce its size, you can hold with one of your fingers on the emoji, and the other finger you can slide it like this, and then it becomes smaller or bigger, whether you contract or expand your fingers. Get the size that you think is appropriate. Once you've done that, you can again touch the smiley symbol and add something more interesting, like a hand, for example. Put it on the hand and do the same thing. Move your finger, move it across. If you want to rotate it, put one of your finger and turn the other one like a clock, and then it's directing towards wherever you want it to be. Another trick is that you can change the color by just touching the side and bringing up or down the sidebar. You can do the same thing with the face. You can change it into different colors, something more matching to the clothes. Now we got something interesting. So you can also touch the same thing again and put cloudy text. You can also move the arrows, move it to the space that you want. Also you can change the color to make it to stand out, because we don't want everything to be green, do we? So we got that, and then we can add some text. Let's say hi, press back and move it to here. One interesting thing you can do with the text is changing its font. So all you need to do is put your hand on the sidebar and then move your finger to the right, and then if you move up and down and then to the right and to the left, you can change simultaneously both the color and the text. Once you're happy with the changes, just simply touch this to send the photo. So next thing we can do is to select the photo here, select the plain background, and then you can use the pencil tool here. Touching it would select it, and now you can draw whatever you want. So for example, you want to draw a face. You can change the color here, and let's draw a face, but you want the hairs to be thinner. So in order to reduce the thickness of the pencil, you move your hand on this sidebar, that's important, and then you move your finger, and you can see size increases and decreases as you move horizontally. So I'm making it very thin. In this corner it shows the size, and now I can put some smaller thickness hairs and change the color, and here it is, and then you can just send that. So next thing I want to show you is to download stickers. It's very simple. Just touch the symbol for emojis, and on the right hand side you see a place to touch for stickers. I've already got a few stickers, but if I want to add more stickers, I touch this plus sign. These are my stickers. If you scroll down, you can get more stickers by touching this, and here are some of the very popular stickers. It shows how many are downloaded. This is 10 million and looks quite interesting, so let's download this together. It's a 3D stickers for WhatsApp. Just then touch it to install it. It might take some time for the download to finish. Once the download is finished, just touch on open, touch let's start. Obviously in life nothing comes for free, and it will give you some advertisement. Just close that. Now this app would help you to import stickers to your WhatsApp. You can see there are various stickers that you can select. So let's touch this, another ad, close that. Once you touch that, then you just touch get, and all you need to do then is to say add to WhatsApp. Then it will ask you, would you like to add this to WhatsApp? Then you touch add. Then you see another advertisement. Just close that, and then if you touch back and back and back and back and back and back, you should see the newly added sticker right up in here. Just to show you how to get to it from the beginning, just touch here, and then on top you see different things. The ones that we downloaded is right at the top, and you can select any one, which some of them are really interesting and intriguing for me, like this one. Here it is, our 3D stickers. There are lots of other stickers that are so beautiful. Please go ahead and try them. I guess we all know how to send a voice message on WhatsApp, but do we all know how to use it properly? For example, you want to send a voice message, you hold your finger on it, you select it, and then if you scroll it all the way up, it goes to lock. Lock means it will record it even though you're not touching the screen anymore. You're not holding to record. So you can really send a long message by just moving your finger to the top and locking it. But if you're not happy with the message, you don't have to be worried that once you remove your finger, the message would be sent. You can just say cancel, and the message is cancelled. Or if you're holding your finger and you want to record a message to send, but halfway in between you change your mind, or you want to start from the beginning, you can just slide it to the left, and here we go, it got cancelled as well. Some of my viewers ask me always, how can I change the privacy of my status? It's really simple. So let's go to our main page. Then we go to status. Once you're in status, just touch the 3 dots and select status privacy. In the status privacy, you can share in 3 different categories. You can share to your contacts. You can share your contacts except. So you can give some exception. For example, you don't like this guy in your contacts to know about your status. So you select that person, but everybody else except that person would be able to see your status. Or the other way around is only share with these people which you specify here. So if I touch here, you can select the people who could just see your status, and nobody else would be able to see your status except that one person, or as many people as you want to give the access to. Once you're happy, just then touch done, and we are done. So how can we turn off read receipts? As you can see, now we have 2 blue tick marks. That means the person have read our message, or the other person sees that we have read their message likewise. So how can we turn them off? It's very simple. So let's go back. Let's go to these 3 dots. Let's go to the settings. Let's go to account, and let's go to privacy. In the privacy, you see a place called read receipts. All you need to do is just touch that, then would be turn off, and then if you go back and write something, send, you will see the double tick marks in gray. That means the person has received, but you don't know whether the person has read the message. Likewise, if the person send you a message, that other person would not know whether you have read their message. It is a two-way street. Now imagine we are in a group that has maybe 10 people in it, and there is a guy in there that you want to reply to one of his messages directly. It's very simple. Just swap your finger from left to right, and then you will reply directly to that message. Say anything you want. I keep saying hi, but that's just an example to get this moving. What if this person have crossed his limits and you want to warn him, but you don't want to embarrass him in the group, and you want to reply to him privately? You can do that as well. Just hold your message on that message, touch the 3 dots, and here we go, reply privately. You can even just message without the reply. So just touch the reply privately and say something. Hi again. And some people don't really want to let other people know when was the last time they used WhatsApp, and you can easily turn that off so that they would not know. It's easy. Just as always, touch the 3 dots, then go to the settings, then go to the account, and then go to the privacy, and then go to last seen. Here we got 3 options. You can let everyone see whether you're on WhatsApp or not. You can just let your contacts know whether you're on WhatsApp or not, or just like what I've done, you don't let anyone know whether you're using WhatsApp right now or not. Just select whichever, then you're done. Press next, 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 and we are back to where we started. Have you ever wondered how to change the background? Maybe a lot of you know how to do that already, but I will cover it because it's very fun to change backgrounds. Touch the three dots. These famous three dots, I don't know why they got these three dots. Then touch the wallpaper. We have various options: no wallpaper, default, gallery, solid color, or wallpaper library. Let's see what WhatsApp wallpaper gallery got. To use it, you need to download it. So touch OK so that the download will start. 100 million people have downloaded this, so it must be good. Click install. Now just touch back. We go back to the three dots. This time we touch the wallpaper again, and this time if we touch wallpaper library, it will show you what WhatsApp got in store. It got some cool ones. Look at that. As I like universe, and I think universe is very mysterious and powerful, let's select a galaxy. And now this is a mysterious channel. Please do subscribe. So we got, all you need to do is to then touch set, and now we got a nice interesting background. But you play around, you can download anything to your phone from Google or wherever and go to the gallery and set that as the wallpaper if you wish to. Or you can put your own picture, such as if I go through three dots, wallpaper, gallery. I am so much in love with myself, I will select myself. Why not? Here we go. You can adjust it. You can zoom to the person's face if you want to, and then set it. And here we go. I am there in the green WhatsApp like green. Let's do it. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.